Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 25th of October 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 25th of October 2020. Before starting today's video, we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. Our first question was, cricketer Umar Gul has recently announced retirement from all forms of cricket. He belongs to which nation? Answer is Pakistan. Who among the following has recently been appointed as the new president of International Weightlifting Federation? Answer is Michael Irani. Name the state or union territory which has started red light on vehicle off campaign to tackle air pollution. Answer is Delhi. Jacinda Ardern has been re-elected as the Prime Minister of Dash. Answer is New Zealand. Fifth question was, which of the following day is celebrated as World Statistics Day? Answer is 20th October. Sixth question was, with which of the following nation India has recently conducted bilateral maritime exercise called SLINEX 20? Answer is Sri Lanka. India ranks at dash in recently released Global Hunger Index 2020. Answer is 94th. Who is the author of the book titled The Battle of Belongings? Answer is Shashi Tharoor. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Indian Banks Association recently? Answer is Raj Kiran Rai. 10th question was, which of the following bank has recently launched WhatsApp banking services for its customers? Answer is IDBI Bank. And last question was, which of the following day is celebrated as World Iodine Deficiency Day? Answer is 21st October. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now we will start today's video. Our first question is, which telecommunications company has been selected by NASA to build the first ever cellular network on Moon? Answer is option number 2, Nokia. Recently, Nokia has been selected by NASA to build the first cellular network on the Moon. NASA aims to return humans to the Moon by 2024 and dig in for long-term presence there under its Artemis program, and the network will configure itself and establish a 4G or LTE communication system on the Moon, and the network will give astronauts voice and video communication capabilities and allow telemetry and biometric data exchange, as well as the deployment and remote control of lunar rovers and robotic devices. Answer will be option number 2, Nokia. Nokia is a Finland-based multinational telecommunication, information technology and consumer electronics company. It was formed on 12th of May 1865. Headquarters is in Espoo, which is in Finland, and currently chairman of Nokia is Pekka Landmark. And NASA, long form of NASA is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. It was formed on 29th of July 1958. Headquarters is in Washington DC, and currently administrator is Jim Bridenstine. Next, 24th October is celebrated annually as dash. Options are World Development Information Day, World Polio Day, United Nations Day, and all of the above. Answer is option number 4, all of the above. 24th October is celebrated as World Development Information Day, World Polio Day, and United Nations Day. What is World Development Information Day? It is annually celebrated on 24th October, and this day aims to draw the attention of world public opinion to development problems and the need to strengthen international cooperation to solve them for overall growth and development in the world. It was first celebrated in 1972. And World Polio Day, it is celebrated every year on 24th October to raise awareness for polio vaccination and eradication of polio, and theme for 2020's World Polio Day was a win against polio is a win for global health. A win against polio is a win for global health was the theme of World Polio Day 2020. And United Nations Day. United Nations was officially came into existence on 24th of October 1945. That's the reason every year 24th October is celebrated as United Nations Day. Answer will be option number 4. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as World Snow Leopard Day? Answer is option number 2, 23rd October. Every year 23rd October is celebrated as World Snow Leopard Day, and the main purpose of this day is to show the importance of snow leopard conservation and raise awareness about this incredible animal. It was first celebrated in 2014. Answer will be option number 2. Next, which state has topped in domestic tourist visit list according to the recently released India Tourism Statistics 2020? Answer is option number 1, Uttar Pradesh. Recently, Union Ministry of Tourism has published its annual report titled India Tourism Statistics at a Glance 2020, and Uttar Pradesh has topped in domestic tourist visit list in 2019 with nearly 53.6 crore tourists, which is equal to 23.1% of the total domestic tourist travelers visited in India. UP was followed by Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Similarly, in terms of foreign tourist visit list 2020, Tamil Nadu has topped in the list with nearly 68 lakh foreign tourists, which is nearly 21.9% of the total traveler visited in 2019. Tamil Nadu was followed by Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh. And as per this publication, around 2 billion domestic tourists and 31 billion foreign tourists have visited India in 2019. Answer will be option number 1, Uttar Pradesh. Next, which state government has recently launched electricity consumer portal called Mo Vidyut portal? Answer is option number 1, Odisha. Recently, the Chief Minister of Odisha, Navin Patnaik, has launched this electricity consumer portal called Mo Vidyut portal, and this portal has been developed by the electricity department and dedicated to the public under the 5T mechanism. 5T are teamwork, transparency, technology, time leading to transformation. And this portal will ensure efficient, time-bound and transparent online service delivery. This portal will support the people to obtain new electricity connections, enable online bill payment, and the grievances related to electricity services can be addressed through this portal. Answer will be option number 1, Odisha. Next, India ranked at which position in International Migration Outlook Report 2020 released by OECD? Answer is option number 2, second. Recently, OECD has released its International Migration Outlook Report 2020. This is the 44th edition of this annual report, which analyzes the recent development in migration movement and policies in its countries. And India has ranked the second in terms of number of migrants going to the OECD countries and acquiring the citizenship of those countries. And China retained its top spot with nearly 4.3 lakh migrants, which was 1% lower than the 2019 report. Answer will be option number 2, second. What is OECD? Long form is Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. It is an intergovernmental economic organization with 37 member countries, and it was established in 1961 to stimulate economic progress and world trade. Its headquarters is in Paris, which is in France. Next question. Portraits of Power is an autobiography of dash. Answer is option number 2, N.K. Jain. Look at the image. This is N.K. Jain. He is an Indian economist and bureaucrat, and currently he is serving as the chairman of 15th Finance Commission. And the book called Portraits of Power is an autobiography of N.K. Singh. And this book portrays the life of N.K. Singh, who plays an active role in the development of Indian economy. Answer will be option number 2. Next, who has become the first cricketer to play 200 matches in IPL? Answer is option number 2, M.S. Dhoni. Recently, Mahendra Singh Dhoni has become the first cricketer in IPL to play 200 matches. Which of the following country has recently test fired SANT missiles? Answer is option number 1, India. Recently, India has test fired SANT missile. Long form of SANT is Stand Off Anti-Tank, and India has successfully test fired SANT missile of the coast of Odisha. The missile has been developed by DRDO, that is Defense Research and Development Organization, in collaboration with IFA, that is Indian Air Force, and this missile is reported to be the upgraded version of the Indian Helena missile. It has range between nearly 50 to 20 kilometers. Answer will be option number 1, India. Next, Dr. Vijayalakshmi Ramanan has recently died at the age of 96. She was dash. Answer is option number 1, first women officer of Indian Air Force. Look into the image. This was Dr. Vijayalakshmi Ramanan, and recently she has died at the age of 96. She was the first women officer of Indian Air Force. She was promoted to the rank of wing commander in 1972 and has been honored with the Vishisht Seva medal, and she has retired from Indian Air Force in February 1979. Answer will be option number 1. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, who has won the Nobel Peace Prize of 2020 recently? Answer is option number 1, World Food Program. World Food Program is a food assistance branch of United Nations. It is the world's largest humanitarian organization which focuses on hunger and food security. It was formed on 19th of December 1961. Headquarters is in Rome in Italy. And Nobel Peace Prize of 2020 has been declared to World Food Program. Now today's question is, which of the following day is celebrated as World Food Day? Options are 14th October, 15th October, 16th October and 17th October. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss the question in the next video.